Okay, in today's video, we're going to be looking at an app called Instant Recall, and I'm going to be showing you payment proofs of they're actually paying me out just for recording my location data. Now, this is all legit, above board, and my data is totally anonymous. But you don't have to do that. You can actually download the app for free. And let's just show you what the app is all about. And as you can see here, it says your memories are priceless. Basically, what you can do is you can recall notifications about what food I like at a certain place. You can recall notifications about what I need to remember to buy or to pick up. So it's a simple app which you can actually put things in. You recall with friends with automatic sharing, and you can pin drop on a map view of the spots marked. So if you've got a particular restaurant or something you love, you can drop a pin on it, and then you can instantly recall it to find out about that place again. So that's how the app works, but we're going to dive into the app and we're going to show you how you can set it up so you can actually get paid for your location. Now, there are loads of apps already on your phone, such as Google Apps and plenty more, Facebook I think as well, that actually take your anonymous data, your location data, and sell it. Instant Recall have set up the Instant Recall app so that you can do the same. But the thing is, the difference with that is they will actually pay you for your location data. So let's jump across to the app and show you exactly how it works. Okay, so when you actually open the app, you come to the map here. What you need to do first, in order to activate it, you need to come down to the settings tab on the bottom right hand corner here, and this will open up. And as you see, you will have this screen here. Purchase subscription. Now, I've already purchased my subscription. This is what you'll see when you first get. So you just click on that, and then you go through and purchase a subscription with either the Apple or with the Google Play, depending which mobile device you've got. And that was going to cost you $3.99 per month to participate in the selling of your data. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is actually go then and refer other people. So you're just basically going to share your link, share this with other people. And you can do this very easily where it says share with friends. Okay, so just click on that, and then you instant message, you can chat, you can email, you can do various different things by sending people the link to this app. And then they can obviously download it, they can use it for free to actually recall all these different things. But they can, if they want, then they can upgrade too and get their subscription. Now, the subscription, like I say, $3.99 a month. What happens is every time you refer someone that actually activates the subscription as well, you're going to get $1 per month off of that person. So you only need 4 people to do this, and then it's actually costing you absolutely nothing. But in saying that, you can do this down 2 levels. So in other words, if your friends refer other people as well, then obviously you're going to get $1 for everybody who comes in on their link as well. So it's very, very quick, very easy to get into profit. Now, I've hardly promoted this app at all, and as you'll see in a minute, I'm already making money and they are paying out. Okay, so I'll show you this very shortly. What you need to do is just literally go to the how to use button here. This will show you how you can actually use the app, and there are various links in that you can do to help promote it out, etc. And there's also, it tells you about the commissions. Once you've got to 10 people in your actual downline, you open up another 2 levels. So this is not, it is multi-level, but it is still in the realms of affiliate marketing because it only goes down a maximum of 2 levels, but you have to reach 10 people before it opens up the next level. And on those 2 levels, 3 and 4, you're going to get 50 cents per person. So as you can see, this really does mount up. And if everybody only gets 10 people to do this, you could actually end up earning over $5,500 every single month. Now, even if you only got half of that, wouldn't we all like a couple of $1,000 a month extra in literally for doing nothing? Because once you've set it up, you're not actually going to do anything apart from do your normal day-to-day moving around. And that is what it's going to actually calculate and then send off the data to Google. So how do we get paid? Well, what you do need to do, and again it tells you, is that you're going to need to do a G Point wallet. Okay, again, this is just an app, very easy to do. Just open the app up, you fill in all your, obviously, your details. What you have to do is make sure you actually do a personal account rather than a business account. And as you can see here, I've had $9 in last month. I haven't really promoted this, but I'm still making money, and I'm due for another payout in a couple of days' time. So it would be interesting to see how much we get then. Now, the only disadvantage is with the payment G Point wallet is, especially if you're outside the USA, there is a limit of $100 before you can actually withdraw it to your bank. That's the only thing. It doesn't actually tell you that in the actual app. I had to go onto their website to find that out. But I have no doubts that obviously this will grow, and I will be able to pull this out, and I'll do another video showing that as and when that happens. Once you've done that, you literally just click on the transfer balance here, and you can obviously put in your bank account details, and then that will get transferred instantly into your bank account. There is a fee on a $20. I think it's 5% fee. So my fee for the $20 would have been $1. So they do obviously take that, but all these payment apps and that all take a percentage, PayPal, etc. So they're all done. But they've done the G Point wallet because it's available worldwide, and they want to be worldwide. So if you're looking for something really simple to get up and working, or work alongside what you're already doing, or other side hustles you're already doing, Instant Recall is so simple because it is really a set and forget app, because you don't have to do anything once you actually get a few people on board. So you just need to get your link out to a few people. That could be doing like doing a blog post, or it could be doing a video like this, or it could even just be literally just sharing with various people that you know, and get them to do exactly the same. So simple, so easy, and this, I'm sure, in 2023 is literally gonna start to move. At the moment, they've obviously have had certain teething problems and different things that have gone wrong, but they're always approachable, and you can actually get hold of the actual owner himself. You can email support, they'll answer you, they'll sort you out if you have any issues. Then I've had issues while I've been doing this, and they've been sorting me out, and so all good, all above board, and looks like it's going to be one to watch in 2023. So make sure that you obviously get your app now, start using it. Like I say, the app itself is free. And if you want to participate and get paid for your location data, which is anonymous, no one's going to know it's you, then obviously you can do that by just subscribing to the $3.99 a month, which is it's basically less than a cup of coffee, isn't it, guys? So you go down, you just forego 1 cup of coffee a month, and you could then be earning quite a nice little side income. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make more videos. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.